Combine mashed banana with cooked oats, a hint of cinnamon, and a beaten egg. Spoon the batter onto a non-stick pan to create mini pancakes. Simple yet delicious. Steam or roast sweet potatoes and mash them with a dab of unsalted butter. Sweet potatoes are abundant in complex carbohydrates and beta-carotene, perfect for your toddler's development. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top it with a scrambled or boiled egg. Avocado provides healthy fats, while eggs are a good source of protein and choline, essential for brain development. Combine oats, mashed blueberries, and a smidgen of yogurt to create bite-sized portions. Bake until firm and serve these as nutritious finger food. Spread a thin layer of almond or peanut butter on banana slices. This recipe offers healthy fats, protein, and a natural sweetness that toddlers love. Combine chia seeds with milk, dairy or plant-based, and soak them overnight. Top with fresh berries in the morning for a delightful treat. Layer Greek yogurt with diced fruits and a sprinkle of crushed nuts or granola for a textured and nutritious snack. Cook quinoa and mix it with steamed and finely chopped vegetables like peas, carrots, and bell peppers. Baked salmon flakes mixed with mashed sweet potatoes provide omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin-rich sweet potatoes. Combine cooked spinach, grated cheese, and scrambled eggs, then bake in mini muffin tins for a savory finger food option. Remember, it's crucial to ensure that foods are cooked until soft and cut into appropriate sizes to prevent choking hazards. These recipes not only provide a balanced diet for your toddler, but also introduce them to a variety of flavors and textures, paving the way for a lifetime of healthy eating habits.